In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to trim video clips in PowerPoint. Whether you're preparing a professional presentation or enhancing a personal project, knowing how to trim videos directly within PowerPoint can be incredibly helpful. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to seamlessly incorporate trimmed video clips into your slides, making your presentation more engaging and polished. Let's start by opening PowerPoint on your computer. Make sure you have the presentation file you want to work with ready to go. Once PowerPoint is open, navigate to the specific presentation that contains the video you intend to edit. It's important to have your presentation organized so you can easily find the slide that contains your video. After opening your presentation, go directly to the slide where your video is located. This step is crucial as it allows you to work directly with the video clip in its context. Once you're on the correct slide, select the video by clicking on it. You'll see a border appear around the video, indicating that it's selected. Now with your video selected, let's move to the Playback tab. This tab is located on the ribbon at the top of the PowerPoint window. Clicking on the Playback tab will reveal a set of video editing tools. It's specifically designed to give you control over how your video plays during your presentation. Within the Playback tab, you'll find a button labeled Trim Video. Click on this button to open a new window. This window is your main workspace for video trimming within PowerPoint. Here you have the option to adjust the start and end points of your video. You'll notice two sliders, one for each end. These sliders are your tools for precision trimming. Take your time moving the sliders to the desired positions. As you adjust, you can preview the trimmed video right there in the window. This preview function is essential for ensuring your video starts and ends exactly where you want. It might take a few attempts to get it just right, but being precise here will enhance the flow and clarity of your presentation. Once you're satisfied with your trimming adjustments, click OK to apply the changes. The video in your presentation will now reflect these new start and end points when played, giving your audience a more focused viewing experience. And there you have it. Trimming video clips in PowerPoint is a straightforward process that can significantly enhance the professionalism of your presentations. With these easy steps, you can ensure that every video you include is perfectly tailored for your needs. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Happy presenting,